Anyway, what's up, guys? It's me, Nick, back with another vlog. Anyway, it's 11:52 a.m. and I'm about to head to Honeybee to pick up my friends, and we're gonna go to Cummins Falls. The latter sounds kind of weird to me, so I'll call it Cummins Falls. I don't know, I guess I'll find out, but yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my friends and we're gonna go there. Chad doesn't like Cardi B. Comment down below if he sucks. There's Courtney, she's with a fidget spinner. Hey, Nathan's here too.
Dude, Sire has been rocking my world.
It's such a good album. Who? Jaden Smith.
Do you like it, Nick?
Who? Jaden Smith.
It's alright.
Have you heard his new album?
Yeah.
It jams my world.
It's very well produced, but it's kind of fake deep.
It's definitely fake deep, but as far as like getting
Production-wise,
crank,
yeah.
like the beats are like insane.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, I think this is
Color abroad.
just getting some gas.
Yeah, she's just sitting there like a deucer. Honk at her.
Don't honk at her.
Honk at her, dude. Let her know.
Honk at her.
We're being a little deuce.
Yeah, Nathan.
Before I drop one on you.
Before I juice.
Steal the ox.
These are my new pants, my brother.
These are used to mine. It's on the other side. Frick.
Oh, you're so smart, Nick. You're a genius.
Oh.
Being a little bitch, Chad.
Wait, is it on the other side?
Yeah.
Dude, but you're crazy, bro.
Dude, you're crazy, bro.
Drive through the middle.
What if I just went back into...
They were born again
as a child?
They were born again.
Are you filming? You stop.
They were born again, Nick.
Cool. What's your favorite thing about nature?
What's up, YouTube? What is up, guys? After about 5 hours of driving, we're finally here.
Should I bring my gloves?
Yeah, you probably
Should I bring
should.
my gloves?
Yeah, it's pretty chilly out there.
What is up, YouTube?
All right, so there's the trailhead.
Nick, do you need a beanie?
I have a beanie. You're making fun of my bald head. Comment down below if you think my bald head is cute.
I get the one.
You warm, Courtney?
Good thing I have a fox on my neck.
Dad, can you dip my thing up? I have mittens on.
What's up, guys?
Hey, Nick, will you kiss me and make my lips warm? They're kind of cold.
It's really cold. Wintertime hours.
Well, like winter
Till
time
4th.
is cold.
Yeah, you're right.
That was a good one, Nick.
How are you guys feeling about this? Chad, are you cold?
I'm crying.
He came a little ill prepared, but we gave him some hand warmers, and I think he'll be okay.
I'm just gonna leave the water.
We won't be here long. We're only gonna cook some food, and
We get 3 cups of ramen in, bro.
yeah, we're only just gonna eat food, set up a table, stay for a while. Oh. Well, shit, looks like we can't cross. Gotta get back.
Yeah.
Shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is sick. From what I'm seeing. Oh my gosh. Just to give you an idea of how cold it is. It's pretty cold.
Wow.
And Chad's dying.
I'm crying.
Oh shit.
I'm crying.
Hey, there's gonna be obstacles in your life. But you know what? You just have to overcome those, and you have to step over
and you
those
walk
obstacles.
away.
You gotta step over those obstacles very slowly sometimes.
That's okay.
Guys, this is my first time.
Oh,
ice
shoot.
skating.
Oh
There's
my
another
gosh.
obstacle.
Oh my gosh. Parkour. Gosh.
I tried to kick this, and it's in the ground.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Present water.
his phone died. I can't vlog anymore.
Oh no.
No!
She was gonna vlog today,
It's
but
like
her
that
phone
scene-
died.
It's like that scene in Narnia when they're trying to get across.
And then
This is sick though.
I'll catch this, Nick.
Dude, we're gonna die.
No.
Oh, Maddie's.
Shoot, she's a partier. Dang.
This is so cool. Should we take this to the recycling bin?
Yeah, we should. Recycle.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. She's good at reducing and reusing and recycling. Let me tell you that.
Splash.
Especially when you go with the water. Found this sick mini waterfall.
Wow.
It's pretty cool. Give it like a 3 out of 10. So these two noobs crossed that river.
On accident.
On purpose.
They did it on purpose
I fell in.
to get to this very mediocre looking small waterfall. It was pretty cool. It was sick. I regret not doing it, but
Hey,
also
these will how to do.
hey, that'll do. Oh, those do. Whoa!
Oh wow.
I don't know. For some reason,
toes.
for some reason, that reminds me of you know, Glove World in SpongeBob. Welcome to Glove World.
Glove buddy.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do instead is just go to the overlook like we should have done in the first
We're
place.
just gonna leave and not actually see the waterfall.
We're just gonna drive to Nashville.
Yeah, we're just gonna drive to Nashville.
Oh, we're gonna go to Nashville now.
view was
Go
the
to the
church.
car.
Plan A.
We could go to the car and get some feet. And some
Good
wine
idea.
On the waters.
This overlook sucks.
Can you see it? Yeah, but not. Just kidding. It's cool.
But yeah, as I was saying, I'm not used to vlogging, and so
Sorry.
this probably wasn't my best one, but hey, don't worry guys, it's gonna get better. It only gets better.